Did you know that every person has not only basic physical needs, food, water, sleep, warmth, but also deeper hungers of the mind and soul? These are inner needs that drive us every day, even when we are not aware of them. Eric Berne, the founder of transactional analysis, identified three fundamental human hungers. This hunger exists in everyone. It begins at birth. Imagine an infant. They need not only milk and clean diapers, but also to be held, cuddled, stroked, looked at, and smiled at. Without this, the child begins to fade. The psychoanalyst Renee Spitz observed children raised in orphanages. They were fed, clothed, and kept warm, but they lacked one essential thing: human contact. They lacked touch, hugs, and gentle strokes. What he found was striking. These children became ill more often, developed more slowly, and suffered more than children raised in families. In transactional analysis, stimulus hunger refers to the basic human need for sensory and mental stimulation: touch, sound, visual input, movement, interaction, and new experiences. This research demonstrated something fundamental. Stimulus hunger is real. We cannot live without touch, eye contact, sound, and human interaction.
As we grow up, we continue to hunger for stimulation. Yes, we learn to replace a hug with a smile, a compliment, or a nod. But the essence remains the same. We need signals from others that we exist. Berne called these signals strokes. They can take many forms. Hi, a verbal stroke. A smile, a nonverbal stroke. A compliment, a positive stroke. Even criticism or sarcasm, a negative stroke. And here's the key insight. Any stroke is better than none. That is why a child may misbehave just to be noticed. And an adult may provoke conflict just to avoid feeling invisible. When there is too little stimulation, we feel bored, empty, and start seeking intensity or excitement. When there is too much stimulation, we become overwhelmed, irritated, and exhausted. What we truly need is an optimal level of stimulation, enough to feel alive, engaged, and energized.
Berne also described two other fundamental hungers: the hunger for recognition and the hunger for structure certainty. They are just as important as stimulus hunger. Without them, a person cannot feel whole or truly fulfilled. In the next section, we will explore the hunger for recognition, our deep need to be seen, heard, and acknowledged.